Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS using an easy method. We'll cover essential strategies to help you achieve your desired band score. First, it's crucial to understand the four main modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Familiarize yourself with the test format and question types for each. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to consistent study and set realistic goals for your band score. This foundational approach will make your preparation much smoother and more effective. For the listening module, practice active listening by focusing on keywords and predicting what information might come next. This helps you anticipate answers. In reading, work on improving your speed and comprehension by using scanning and skimming techniques to quickly locate information. Make it a habit to expand your vocabulary. Note down new words you encounter in practice materials. Regularly review common question types, such as multiple choice and matching headings, to build confidence. To excel in speaking, practice daily, focusing on fluency, coherence, and accurate pronunciation. Develop a range of ideas for common topics and organize your thoughts clearly before speaking. For writing, understand the 4 key assessment criteria: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. Practice writing essays and reports regularly, ensuring you meet the minimum word counts and follow a clear, logical structure for both Task 1 and Task 2. Finally, take full-length practice tests under timed conditions as often as possible. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you manage your time. After each test, analyze your mistakes thoroughly to identify areas where you need more practice. If possible, seek feedback on your speaking and writing from experienced tutors. Their insights are invaluable. Remember to maintain a positive mindset and manage your time effectively on the test day itself. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.